Welcome to your Opel Astra van. This short video will inform you about the daily checks and using the Astra van. The Astra van is powered by a diesel engine and has a 6-speed manual gearbox. To open and lock the Astra, use the buttons on the key. Before you set off, carry out a walk-around check. The daily safety check only takes a minute but could save a life. Pay particular attention to lights, windscreen, the side mirrors and make sure they're clean. Check the tyres for obvious damage and that there is enough thread. There is a manual wear indicator you can feel in between the grooves of the tyre. Make sure tyres are inflated properly. Tyre pressure values are printed in the handbook but also found on a plate inside the front passenger door. If you find a fault, record it in the defect book and contact your local supplier to arrange the repair work. In the cabin, the dashboard features a number of warning lights that light up when the ignition is switched on and go out moments later. If any light stays on, consult the owner's manual found in the glove box. If amber lights stay on, contact your local supplier, but if a light stays red, stop and contact LeasePlan on 1-800-5254-56. Remember to check the fuel gauge and fill up as needed. The diesel filler cap is on the driver's side rear. Secure any loose objects and check the windscreen wipers, washers, lights and horn all function. The handbrake is positioned between the driver and the passenger seat. If you are parked facing uphill, apply the handbrake and engage first gear. If you are pointed downhill, apply the handbrake and engage reverse gear. The headlights are operated via a dial on the right of the dash. The main beam and flash function are on the left-hand stalk of the steering column, as is the turning indicator. You can manually adjust the headlight angle depending on your load using this numbered dial. You can also dim or brighten the dashboard lights with the adjacent dial. A menu button is found on the left-hand stalk. With each press, a different subject area can be accessed. You can scroll through the submenus using the rotary dial. A button on the end of the stalk allows settings and values to be reset. The right-hand stalk operates the front and rear wipers and also the wash function for both. The steering wheel has a number of buttons. Your left hand can be used to access the speed limiter and cruise control settings. A toggle switch allows you set and adjust the speed. Your right hand can control the audio functions. The driver's seat can be fully adjusted to suit your body. The steering wheel rake and reach can be adjusted using the column-mounted lever. Remember to lock it back in place once set. The Astra has a Bluetooth sound system. To pair a phone for the first time using Bluetooth, turn on the stereo. Press phone on the Astra's touch screen. Turn on Bluetooth on your mobile phone. Press search devices on the Astra's touchscreen. Select your phone when it appears and allow pairing. You can allow further access to your phone when prompted. Maintenance should be carried out according to the service schedule and arranged by the driver with a local supplier. In day-to-day use, the driver may need to fill the washer reservoir. This is done by releasing the bonnet via a lever in the driver's footwell. There is a further catch under the bonnet's leading edge. From left to right, there is the oil filler cap, dipstick to check the oil level, coolant reservoir that has a level indicator, and windscreen washer reservoir to the front right-hand side of the bay. At large intervals, a driver will see a dash display indicating the need to top up the AdBlue tank. This is done via the unique AdBlue filler nozzle beside the diesel nozzle on the rear driver's side. You must go to your nearest LeasePlan supplier who will top up the AdBlue for you. The Astra's spare wheel and jack is located inside the cargo area. If you need assistance changing a damaged wheel or with a breakdown, contact LeasePlan on 1-800-5254-56. Finally, may we wish you safe and happy driving in your Opel Astra van.